Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a minute and today we're going out to take photos in the city while it's snowing. Yes, in the snow. And you're coming with me. I've been wanting to do a snow day video since last year and finally we got a good amount of snow today. So let's go. Hope you enjoy. This is not a POV video, but don't worry, we'll get back to the POVs soon. After a couple warm-up shots, I noticed this person outside the coffee shop and he noticed me filming and I was trying to pose, so I could not help myself not taking a photo of him. As I was walking downtown, this old man was walking up the street with an umbrella to stay dry from the snow. These dogs were having so much fun in the snow. A lot of people had a really hard time taking the cars out of their parking. And here's me talking to the camera, but the audio wasn't good because I was wearing a ski mask, so here I am doing a voiceover. Oh, and I almost fell down too. Going downtown, you could see more people walking, going to their jobs, going to grab coffee. I was surprised, to be honest. And here I was waiting for a couple of minutes for someone to come out of the building. And I got lucky, and they did. As you can see, there's a lot of snow everywhere. I came here to get some nice B-roll, but nothing really special for a photo. I was freezing, but I was not ready to go home yet.
Let's keep it that way.
Most shops were closed, and at this part of the city, not many people were out. There were not a lot of people outside and it was so peaceful, and the sound of the snow made it even better. Delivery men though did their job even in the snow. Gotta give them credit. Here in the square, I saw a mom with her little kid and he was playing in the snow and reminded me of the good old days when I was his age and loved when it snowed. Now it's snowing even harder and I noticed this man wearing a blue jacket that was popping off in the white. And that was the last photo I took for the day, because the camera I was using was not waterproof and I didn't want to damage it, so I put it in my pocket, but I did walk down to the park and filmed a bit more. I know I haven't posted in a while. I had my best friend here from Greece, and recently I got more client work to do, but I did film a couple videos which I need to edit and post. I didn't forget you though. I'm working on being more consistent and posting here a lot more because I really enjoy making these videos. I'm thinking about 2 videos a month to get back in the rhythm of it. I have some cool ideas, and even though the weather isn't the best to execute them right now or for POVs all the time, I try to be creative and do the best I can. Once the weather gets better, I'm thinking of doing some photography in small towns and some POVs in different cities like Boston and New York. And also try some different style of photography too. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our little walk in the snow. Tell me if you like this kind of style of videos down in the comments and if I should add them to the channel with the POVs. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking it, leaving a comment, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe if you want. You won't regret it. Also, you can share it. It helps out the channel a lot. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.